In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn shape into form by turning circles into spheres using only line. If we draw a circle, it's a shape, and if we draw lines across it, that shape can't be anything but flat. But as artists, we can create the illusion of dimension by thinking of the form of our subject. A circle is the shape of a sphere, and just by adding points on each of these circles, our brain reads them as spheres, and different points animate and turn them in different directions. See how this rubber band follows the contour of the ball? We can draw a line that follows the contour of a sphere. By placing a point on the circle, we create an apex, or a point that sticks farthest out. By following the edge of the circle, then breaking away to cross over the apex, we give the illusion of a sphere that has one end removed. We can create even more dimension by drawing several lines that intersect at the point of the apex. Notice how I follow along the circle before I break away to create the contour? Following the circle helps create the feeling of the form, and each line splits the sphere into wedges, like an orange. To complete the feeling of volume, I think about going across the lines I just created, changing the direction, but still following the contour. I follow the edge of the circle, then break off and continue the contour, creating a series of latitude marks, like on a globe. So how does this help us with painting? Well, by recognizing the underlying forms of our subjects, it helps artists create a sense of dimension. The turning spheres are obvious in this pastel painting of onions, and you can see in the close-up how the pastel application followed the form, just like in the line drawing. The onions are obvious, but there are spheres everywhere surrounding us, like in the bottom of this ceramic pitcher, or in this vase and the bouquet of hydrangeas. Recognizing the spherical form helped me paint the hat in this portrait of my daughter. Sometimes the spheres are just small little pieces of the painting, like in this cloud. There's a couple little spherical shapes up at the top there that are catching the golden sun, and that helped give it dimension. I practice these line drawings all the time, and these doodles strengthen my skills when I paint. Being aware of the form helps describe the sphere, so you can go from flat shape to full volume. Thanks for watching, and please visit my Patreon site, The Painter's Classroom, where for $5 a month you get fine art tutorials and your painting questions answered. The link is below.